Alright, this fold is called the flower and leaf fold. I'm not really sure where the leaf comes from, other than I will show you the stem part in the next video, and there is a leaf for that, so maybe that's what it means. So we'll do the flower first, and then I'll do a short video on the leaf. So take a look at the directions with me here. Here's the flower. Turns out nice, especially if you do it with smaller paper. You can do a bunch with those. Starts with a square base, and then again you're going to want that orientated towards the top. It's a quick fold, and makes kind of a unique flower. So here we go. All right, I'm going to start with the square base. Squares up, folding in. Just going to get a hard crease and then reorientate my paper. Now paper is going to be this way, and I'm going to start by folding these guys in. Again, make sure that you've got this towards the top, otherwise the fold's not going to work. So that way, and then this way. And then I'm going to do both sides. This one. And this one. And then I'm going to start moving these guys together like this. And fold them all together. Kind of flat. Make a nice big crease. And then I'm going to make a fold up like this. Orientate my paper. And again, as you follow, I'm on step 5, and I'm going to go pull this one up like this. This is going to be a hard crease. I'm going to do the other side as well and follow that same crease line. This is really just a guide fold. And the guide fold is, and I'm going to pop this thing open and get back to where I'm supposed to be here. I'm going to pop it open, and then I'm going to move these guys in. So I'm just going to push it up and do a kind of inside fold with that and pull it out. Then the next step on this one is here. We're going to start kind of pulling these flowers out. You just kind of open them up. Open this one here this way. Pulling them out. Pulling them out. I'm holding the stem here, pulling this one out, pulling this one out. Now if you look on step 8 of the directions here, you'll see it's got a kind of a pull over right here. You'll see it here. I'm not quite figured out what exactly they meant with that, but it's just a fold there. And I think if you fold that up like that, it gives it another quick turn in there and allows you to fold this up. And this paper does not work real well with this fold, but it does work. So you end up with something, again, fold, you can decorate it, turn it up, however you wish. Flower fold. This is the stem fold that we folded earlier with the flower. And you can see that the stem here, you would tuck these flowers into it. And I'm going to pull them out so you can see what it looks like. But you can do multiple flowers within it. And again, kind of imagine this if you had multiple colored paper or things of that nature, or smaller. So it just kind of pull these out of the stem. And there's the leaf and flower fold right there. And there's the leaf. So this fold, direction-wise, not difficult. Quick, you can see the fold in there. So let's get started. So you're going to orientate your paper on the triangle side like this, and then what you want to do is you're going to fold these top ones in like this. I like starting out folding an airplane. You want to make these tight. That one off a little bit. And then orientate it back this way. I'm going to fold these guys in. These two sides. This side in. And then I'm going to flip this over. I got the back side like this. and then fold each one of these sides in. What I'm creating here is the pockets for the flowers right there, where the stems fit right in there. So it goes like this. And I'm going to flip it over, and then I'm going to close it on itself like that. Now, a couple ways you could do this flower part and orientate it as this, with you got this corner down, and then I would fold, starting here, fold this one and fold it down like that, kind of like at a deeper angle. Now, if I wanted to, I could fold this back out and that pops open this way. But the one thing I like to do is just kind of do a reverse fold on this, and fold it back like this, and then close that leaf in there. Back. It kind of creates a leaf that looks like this going off, and again, if you kind of rub it a little bit, you can get that curve in there like a natural flower. And at that point, there's your stem, and again, you can go back to your flowers and then poke your flowers in those pockets right there. These pockets along the side, and they just slip in there. And that's what holds the flowers in there. So you get a stem and a flower. Again, you can do multiple stems and flowers. Tuck that one into that side as well. So you end up with kind of like, again, this is just rough looking paper. It doesn't look real great, but I think if you go ahead and change the color on this, green paper for the leaf, do some yellow flowers or something of that nature, and then decorate the insides of those flowers, it would turn out very nice. And then again, if you bring back your basket, and then you can fold this smaller, with smaller paper than the basket, and then you can do a basket full of flowers with these as well. You can tip these in the baskets here, and do the flowers there too. That would make an interesting centerpiece too. There you go, flower and stem.